Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study in Quizlet step by step. Start by creating a study set and naming it clearly, then add precise terms and definitions for each concept. Use folders or tags to group related sets and import lists from notes or files to save time. Set study goals, like 25 items per session, and schedule short daily reviews to build retention. Keep sets focused, switch between modes to target different skills, and keep sessions fresh. Start with flashcards for exposure, then use Learn mode to let the system prioritize what you miss most. Add write or spell when you need stronger production and typing practice, and test yourself with match or gravity for timed recall. Balance speed and accuracy across sessions and track progress to adjust study focus. Use active techniques to deepen memory and understanding during Quizlet sessions. Apply spaced repetition by spacing reviews across days, and teach concepts allowed to practice retrieval and spot gaps. Interleave topics by mixing different subjects to strengthen transfer and prevent overfitting to one topic. Regularly self-test under realistic conditions and refine definitions to be clearer and more testable for better long-term retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.